going to learn addition and subtraction of modular arithmetic. When solving problem in modular arithmetic, we're always focusing with the remainder. That is called modulo. Okay, then therefore, you know, modular arithmetic is always dealing with something that will keep recurring terms, like market day, like the time, days of the week. Like I assume we have 7 days of the week. Any repetitive event modular arithmetic is always considered as that thing. Okay, then in this example says we are to find the simplest positive form of each modulo. As you know, the plural form is modulo, the singular is moduli, like radius as a plural, the radial is the singular. Okay, now we are looking for the moduli for each. We asked to calculate the moduli in each question here. Now the question is given here as minus 28 mod 3. When solving problem in this form, we suppose to consider the minus given. This is minus 28 in mod 3. We asked to find, we solve this problem. Okay, in solving this problem now, we are going to say, since this is minus 28, then we think of a number that you can make minus 28 here. Let's assume here is, let's say, we can say 3 times 10, or we can say 3 times minus 10 plus 2. 3 times minus 10 plus 2, it will give minus 28. Therefore, we are always focused on the remainder. Our remainder will be 2. Since if you have 3 times minus 10, you have minus 30. Minus 30 plus 2, it will give minus 28. Therefore, if you have minus 28, minus 28 is equivalent to, that is equivalent to 2 mod 3. That is when the modulo is given 28 in mod 3 minus 28, then it's supposed to be 2 mod 3. That is the answer for this. Then in the next case, if you have minus 2, if you have minus 2 mod 9, now since the modulo is greater than the number here, then you can subtract as 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Since in making our table, if you remember, if a number x is having minus, we have to subtract from the modulo. Okay, then now when subtracting this from the modulo, you will get, if you have minus 2, 9 minus 2 here, you get 7. That is our modulo. Now we say minus 2 is equivalent to 7 mod 9. If you are dealing with mod 9, you know, this example have different modulo. That is, the abbreviation is called mod. That is, minus 2 is equivalent. This is not the equal signs. In modulo, sometimes we are using mod equivalent to 7 mod 9. Okay, that is the solution for the second question. For the third one, okay, can you solve the third one? Can you pause the video and solve the third one? Okay, don't forget to like, share our video, subscribe. Can you solve both the 2 questions and put the answer in the comment section? Okay, let's go. Let's solve the question here. Minus 14 mod 3. Minus 14 mod 3. Let's find the number that you can get 14 here. Since we are dealing in mod 3 here, we can say 3 times minus 5. plus 1, it will give 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Plus 1 is equals to minus 14. That is to say, we are dealing, our answer here will be minus 14 will be equivalent to 1 mod 3. Minus 14 is equivalent to 1 mod 3. Okay, then we are going to solve the last one here. Let's solve the last question here. The last question says we have 5y plus 3 is equivalent to 2. This is a mod 11. Since the question is given at mod 11, now we are going to solve this question. This is the equation of modulo. Okay, in the equation of modulo, now we have to find the number. If you multiply and add with 3, you get 2 mod 11. Okay, in case we cannot solve this as direct what linear equation, like the way we are dividing both sides by 5. No, that is not possible. Then you come to collect the like terms. Let's say here we have 5y, this equivalent to 2 minus 3 mod 11. In this case, we have 5y is equivalent to, let's say, 2 minus 3 here. 2 minus 3 here is minus 1 mod 11. We are in mod 11. Then in this case, we have to say this is equals to minus 1 plus 11. Let's add the modulo. Since in making our table, if you remember, we are adding a modulo when a number gives positive negative. Then we have to take the modulo and subtract to know the original module. Now we can keep subtracting this number. Minus 1 plus 11. Minus 1 plus 11. That is, we have 10. This is 5y is equivalent to 10. Equivalent to 10 mod 11. Therefore, since now we get 10 here, then we can say we have y is equals to 10. Since 10 is divisible by 5, you can say y is equals to 10 divided by 5. Okay, now y is equals to 10 divided by 5. The value of y is equals to 5 here, 5 here, 2. That is, the value of y here will be 2. Therefore, y is equals to 2. Don't forget, since our modulo is giving us 2, this is just an equation of modular arithmetic. You may ask to find the number inside the modulo. Okay, then that is all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates.